Hello all, welcome to Global Institute of Cybersecurity and Ethical Hacking. So Global Institute is the international brand and we are providing all the training part as well as the certification part. So in computer we have networking courses, we have cybersecurity courses, in fact we have a software development too. So we have a different track and in fact we have some latest technology, like we have a cloud option, Microsoft Cloud, Azure Cloud, you can see Amazon Cloud and Red Hat Cloud too. In fact we have IoT, that is Internet of Things, we have artificial intelligence, we have machine learning. In machine learning we have level 1 as well as we have level 2. So apart from this we have Android development, we have web development. So we have all the training part as well as the certification part. In fact for a long term we have a diploma courses too, like diploma in cybersecurity. In fact we have a diploma in ethical hacking, diploma in Android development, diploma in digital marketing, in fact diploma in software development, diploma in networking infrastructure. So we are providing interview preparation, exam preparation, live project, internship with all the training program as well as the certification program too. So we have very strong job opportunity and campus, because many good companies, top 10 companies, top 20s company, they are coming to us for the purpose of good opportunity, for the purpose of good candidates. So we are having very good placement record too. So this is the small idea about the Global Institute. So lockdown is going on, so now we have all those batches via online. So if you want, you can come and you can join to the Global Institute. Yeah, thank you and all the best.